Friedrich Engels. The birth of Friedrich Engels. Friedrich Engels was born on November 28, 1820, in Barmen, in the Kingdom of Prussia, now part of Germany. His father owned a successful textile factory, which provided Engels with a comfortable material environment to grow up in. Friedrich Engels' family. His father was Friedrich Engels Sr., a successful businessman and owner of a textile factory in Barmen. He provided financial support to his son Friedrich and assisted him in his professional life. His mother was Elizabeth van Haar, an educated and intelligent woman. And Engels was influenced by her liberal and philosophical teachings. His younger brother was Hermann Engels. He worked in their father's trading company but tragically died at a young age in a drowning accident. His first wife was Mary Burns. She was a worker from a working-class family in Manchester, and she worked in her father's factory, which Engels' father owned. Engels met Mary in Manchester, and their relationship continued for several decades until Mary's death in 1863. His second wife was Lizzie Burns. She was Maria Hovman's sister, and Engels entered into a relationship with her after Maria's death. They officially married in 1878 and lived together until Engels' death in 1895. Although Engels did not have any children from his marriages, he had two illegitimate daughters, Mary and Elizabeth, from extramarital relationships. What did Friedrich Engels study? Friedrich Engels received his education at several universities and educational institutions. In 1838, he enrolled at the University of Berlin to study philosophy and linguistics. In 1841, he transferred to the University of Bonn to continue his university studies, where he came into contact with many influential philosophers and scientists of the time. Afterward, Engels studied law at the University of Berlin but did not complete his bachelor's degree. At the same time, he delved into the study of political economy and history. Upon moving to Brussels in 1842, Engels engaged in self-study and independent research in the fields of economics, history, and social sciences. He also immersed himself in significant literary and philosophical works. Despite not holding a high academic degree, Engels was a distinguished economist and prominent philosopher. He benefited from his extensive studies and readings to develop a profound understanding of economic and social phenomena. And his works reflected deep analysis and strong philosophical insights. His meeting with Karl Marx and his achievements. In 1842, Engels met Karl Marx in Cologne, and this meeting was pivotal in their lives and led to a strong collaboration between them. They worked together on writing numerous articles and joint intellectual works, becoming symbols of the communist movement. One of Engels' most significant achievements was his participation in writing the Communist Manifesto, which was published in 1848. This book is considered one of the most important political documents in history, presenting a communist analysis of history and social classes and calling for the establishment of a new social system based on collective ownership and the end of the exploitation of the working class. Engels also wrote several important individual works, including The Condition of the Working Class in England, published in 1845. It is a detailed study of the harsh conditions experienced by workers under industrial capitalism. Friedrich Engels' relationship with communism. Friedrich Engels' relationship with communism was close and intimate. He collaborated extensively with Karl Marx in developing the theory of scientific communism. Engels may be one of the most influential figures in shaping and advancing Marxist theory. In 1844, Engels met Marx in Paris, and this initial meeting marked the beginning of their close collaboration. They worked together on analyzing social classes and the capitalist system, writing joint articles and intellectual works. They collaborated on writing the Communist Manifesto, which was published in 1848 and serves as the official statement of the Communist Party, presenting the theoretical foundations and basic principles of communism. Afterward, Engels conducted numerous research and studies that contributed to the development and expansion of communist thought. His individual works, such as Capital, a critique of political economy, and The Condition of the Working Class in England, made significant contributions to understanding the economic and social conditions faced by the working class and providing critical analysis of capitalism. Engels played a crucial role in the development of Marxist philosophy, adding additional theoretical strength and depth to Marxism. While he was a close collaborator and contributor to Marx's works, Engels also offered unique insights and individual analyses that distinguished him from Marx. After Marx's death in 1883, Engels published and edited many of his works and notes, contributing to the dissemination and further development of communist philosophy after Marx's passing. In summary, Friedrich Engels can be described as a close collaborator of Karl Marx and a major contributor to the development and dissemination of communist theory worldwide. Death of Friedrich Engels. Engels passed away on August 5, 1895, in London. Through his works and collaboration with Marx, Engels contributed to the development of Marxist philosophy and economic theory, leaving a significant impact on social and political thought worldwide.